Welcome to the bakery, sweet and bright. One sweet cupcake, pink and tall. Two round donuts, we love them all. Three macarons, strawberry sweet. Four cute cookies, what a treat! Five soft muffins, warm and neat. Six golden croissants on a tray. Seven colorful cake pops, hip hooray! Eight red strawberries on the cake. 9 white marshmallows we will bake.
10 viên kẹo lắc lắc lắc.
Pink is the frosting, soft and sweet.
Yellow is the lemon pie, a sunny treat.
Blue is the blueberry glaze we love. Green is the mint leaf shining above. Orange is the peach tart, warm and bright. Purple is the grape jelly, pure delight.
A circle cookie, round and round.
A square brownie on the platter found. A triangle slice of yummy cake. A heart-shaped sugar treat we make. A star-shaped pastry shining bright.
Mix the flour.
Roll the dough.
Make the shapes that we all know.
Watch the oven gently glow. Add some sprinkles, make it sweet. Sharing with our friends, a happy treat. Goodbye, bakery.